जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 12th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, are you seeking peace? If you seek peace, you should be seeking permanent peace. You will get permanent peace only when you start experiencing Atma. In order to experience Atma, you have to make sure Atma is relieved from the karma bondage. In order to have Atma relieved from the karma bondage, you have to be performing your karma without expecting fruits of it, without being attached to the fruits of your karma. If you do that, you will be able to experience Atma that becomes an eternal, a permanent peace. You will enjoy that peace. Otherwise, Arjuna, if you keep performing karmas while being attached to the fruits of it, while expecting the fruits of it, you will never be able to get rid of the cycle of birth and death. You will have to permanently be in this cycle. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma helping us understand how to attain peace, how to attain permanent peace. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yuktaha karma phalam tyaktva शांतिम आपनोति नैष्ठिकीम अयुक्तः कामकारेण फले सक्तो निबध्यते। ओम। As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. करिष्ये वचनं तव. श्रीमद्भागवतं नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव. पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Savanaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Sriman Narayan avatarams to Narada Maharshi. In that process, Sri Chaturmukha Brahma saying that, O Narada, Paramatma Sriman Narayana comes down as Kalki, end of the Kali Yugam. O Narada, because of this Kali effect, there would not be any more listening to Sriman Narayana's divine stories even in devotees' houses also. Not only that, Narada, because of this Kali effect, Brahmanas becomes Nastikas. And because of this Kali effect, all those who were in righteous Vedic path, they will all be diverted to other unrighteous path. Not only that, Narada, because of this Kali effect, all those who were in the ruling, they will completely getting into unrighteous adharma margam. And also Narada, because of this Kali effect, nobody would be performing any pujas, any yajnas, any homas. At that time, Shasta bhavishyati kalehe bhagavan yugante. At that time, Paramatma comes down as Kalki to command Kali, to put Kali under his control. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining Kalki Avataram to Narada Maharshi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. व्यामोहप्रसमौषधं मुनिमनोवृत्ति प्रवृत्त्यौषधं दैत्येन्द्रार्तिकरौषधं त्रिभुवनी सञ्जीवनैकौषधं भक्तात्यन्तहितौषधं भवभय प्रध्वंसनैकौषधं श्रेयः प्राप्तिकरौषधं पिब मनः श्रीकृष्णदिव्यौषधम्. कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहम्. कृष्णे नामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter 12th श्लोक. युक्तः कर्मफलं त्यक्त्वा శాంతిం ఆప్నోతి నైష్ఠికీం అయుక్తః కామకారేణ ఫలే సక్తో నిబధ్యతే. యుక్తః కర్మఫలం త్యక్త్వా శాంతిమాప్నోతి నైష్ఠికీం అయుక్తః కామకారేణ ఫలే సక్తో నిబధ్యతే. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.